Hello, welcome to A Crow in Her Garden, and it is July 3rd. My potatoes are ready to be harvested, but I'm just going to pull one plant just to see how they are. So I'm going to find the plant that is the most dead, which just happens to be this one right here. So let's see. Let's see what we got. Oh, well, nothing on the plant, but let's see. Oh, there's one. Ooh. Oh my goodness. Here we go. Look at that one. Oh wow. Yay. Oh my goodness. You guys. Holy smokes. Oh my. Wowie wow. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Woohoo. Oh my goodness. Well, these potatoes are definitely ready to harvest. So I'm going to make another video of the big haul. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you want to see more garden updates.